All right, I got this new Rangecraft chronograph, radar chronograph. We're gonna try and get a reading out of the whipper, launching a dart at a sign down there. There's a truck right now, so we'll have to wait. Okay, I pulled the weight back. We're back to 45 pounds. I closed the gap so it should drop a little bit further, well, back, maybe bottom dead center. Pulled the pin back to bring the launch angle up at that counterweight because we're going to bring the arm further over the top. And we were launching low when I had it at that counterweight at those settings. I don't think anything's gonna get broken. Are cameras rolling? Yes. I think cameras are rolling. No. Okay, now we're rolling. Going to slow-mo. Okay, that looked nice. It went right. We have some wind going like that. Did we get a reading? No. Alright, alright. Okay, I lost the dart. We didn't get a reading. It's set on archery and we're shooting a 1355 grain dart. In archery it only goes up to 9 something. I have it set on 980. No, I didn't read the directions. So there's that. I aimed more to the left to see if we can get the windage right. The wind is blowing pretty hard out past these trees. Let me go to slow-mo. All right, so after, I don't know, 2 hours of searching, out here, we're actually, this is the next day. That was a hit. I can't believe it. To me, it looked like it was going here. So I've been on this line just back and forth and out to about 1,000 feet, and I was like, there's no way it went out here. I was about to give up, and I said, well, maybe I'm just offline a bit. So I came over here, walking this line, and boom, there it was. Right there. Man. I'm stoked about that. Hit. It's pretty deep too. It's halfway. I don't know if I can get it. Okay, I got it. Oh yeah. Wow, nice. That flew straight as an arrow. We did lose one over here though. The wind blew it over here more. So now that I know the range of that one, I should be able to find this one. Found it. So that was about 20 feet offline. Wind blew it offline, and about 20 feet further, it's actually a lighter dart, and it is buried too. It is. Oh, it is almost to the fletching. Yep. Sweet. Oh man, I needed that data. This is the first one I shot. It's a lighter dart, and it's right on line where I thought it was. I just couldn't see it. It was buried so deep, and it was pretty dark yesterday. I thought it was over here somewhere. Wow, super happy. Yeah, now I can record that data. Nice. So those two shots kind of verified my thoughts on the law of fours, and that we needed 100% more counterweight, double the counterweight, to get 50% more distance. I mean, that was literally spot on. Beautiful launch angles. Super happy about that. We'll see what all the data says, calculations, and yeah, move forward.